add the water? Chloe, you have to stir it, okay? Stir, stir, stir. Good job. What are you making, Chloe?
I'm making...
What are you making?
waffles.
Do you like eating waffles?
Yeah.
Now, why are you sniffing the eggs?
Why not?
Oh, here comes the other one. Here comes the other one. Yeah, mommy help you. Move your feet. It's gonna hit your feet. Oh, look, Gogo's gonna break the eggs and Momo's gonna whisk the eggs, okay? Good job. Good teamwork. Yeah, so we're gonna do about 6 eggs.
I got skills over here.
She's got skills over here. So we're gonna make 6 eggs. We're gonna whisk it up.
It's so hard.
Yeah, we're gonna get no shells. We don't want any shells. Okay,
Hey, what? I want to have...
okay, go sprinkle these. Put the basil in, okay? Oh, you want to show everyone your apron? Yeah. I turn around, show everybody your cute apron. What is it? Is it a panapia?
Yeah.
Like 2 turns. Big full turns. And then one more. And then do the pepper. 1 more full turn. Oh my, that's a lot of whipped cream. You think you're eating, oh my goodness, you think you're eating whipped cream and not, I cut on this. That's gonna be super duper sweet, dude. Okay, we're good? Chloe, you wanna come make your waffle too?